Are you tired of sifting through countless educational resources only to find out that they're either too basic or too complicated for your needs? Well, you're not alone, and that's exactly why DropCourse has been gaining popularity among online learners and educators alike. But is it worth the hefty price tag of $49 per month? As we dive into this honest review, let's take a closer look at its features, pricing plans, and what sets it apart from other online learning platforms. With DropCourse, you get access to a vast library of video courses, interactive quizzes, and assignments all in one place, making it easier to stay organized and on track with your learning goals. The platform also allows you to create customized courses, track student progress, and even integrate with popular LMS systems like Canvas and Blackboard. DropCourse offers three pricing plans: the basic plan at $29 per month, the Pro plan at $49 per month, and the Enterprise plan with customized pricing for large institutions. While the Pro plan may seem steep, it does include features like advanced analytics and priority support, making it a worthwhile investment for those who need a more comprehensive learning management system. However, for individuals or small groups, the basic plan may be a more affordable option to get started with. Ultimately, whether or not DropCourse is worth the investment depends on your specific needs and learning style, so it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, DropCourse is definitely worth considering, but it's crucial to be aware of its limitations and pricing structure to ensure it aligns with your budget and learning goals.